No doubt you've seen them. I'm talking about the savvy entrepreneurs who are making a killing in real estate. Maybe you've seen them on TV, flipping houses for quick and handsome returns. Maybe you even know them. They're the real estate entrepreneurs who buy properties for a quick turn or the long run, making money on rental cash flow and holding on for the longer term cash out on appreciation. There's no denying that there's money to be made in real estate, today and tomorrow. But unfortunately, you just haven't found a way to get in on the game. I'm here to tell you that you can do it too, without ever lifting a hammer or screening a tenant. Look at it this way. Lending guidelines have made it tougher for everyone to finance real estate purchases. This creates a void in two areas of the market. First, buyers can't buy when they can't get a mortgage, and this creates demand for rental real estate, where you can make nice monthly returns and even better returns at the back end. Secondly, we know that there are plenty of distressed properties out there waiting to be brought back to life, but tight lending guidelines have shut real estate entrepreneurs out of buying, renovating, and reselling these homes for profit. This is where you come in. Private lenders are funding real estate transactions and have done so for years. If you're in it for the short run, you can work with a real estate entrepreneur who flips houses. You fund the deal, much like a mortgage lender does, and the entrepreneur flips the house and profits are divided. If you're looking for more steady, long-term returns, you can act as the bank for cash-flowing rentals. The beauty of private lending that you won't find in other investment vehicles: control. When's the last time you set the terms on the returns on a CD or your 401k? Exactly. When you invest in real estate as a private lender, you control the terms. Everything is negotiable. And as the market changes, you have the flexibility to adjust. Need to plan for taxes? Private lending gives control over your returns. Security. Your investment is secured by real estate, real collateral. What was your investment in AOL secured by? Exactly. It's up close and personal. You work directly with a real estate entrepreneur. When's the last time you were able to talk to the person who decided to sell off the most profitable division of the company you were invested in? Exactly. Working one-on-one investing with a real estate entrepreneur allows you control and security you won't find in most other investment tools. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines wondering how to improve your returns, private lending may be the perfect choice for you. If you want to learn more about how to make money as a real estate investor without ever flipping a house or cleaning up after a tenant, we need to stay in touch. Real estate investing is what we do. Feel free to contact us, pick our brain, and let's explore where real estate investing can take you. We'll explain the ins and outs, look at the profit centers, the short run, the long run, and all of the nuances that go into solid real estate investment with real-world returns.